What's up guys, it's Vinny here from Road Blast Media. Thank you for choosing this video to watch. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a scenic ride through the RP Gorge. It's just a little back road down the road from my house, and it's a wicked one, especially when the roads get a little bit slippery, a little bit wet. So we're just going to go for a little blast and do a bit of a motovlog, talk about some things that have been going on, and yeah. So currently in New Zealand we're in level 4 lockdown, which means there's bugger all to do, and the Prime Minister says that, you know, for things like the things to get out of the house, we can go and ride a bike. She didn't specify what type of bike that is, so I just took that as I'm allowed to take my motorbike for a bit of a ride. So that's exactly what I'm doing, just killing some time during the lockdown while I can't work, and yeah, really getting amongst these little back twisty roads. They're just really super fun. I love this sort of stuff. It's the whole reason why I ride. But yeah, I'm not too familiar with this road, so bear with me. There's some really awesome, nice sweeping corners through here, and just look at the beautiful scenery. You know, you get all these wonderful trees, you know, a few wet patches, you know, keep your butt puckered up a bit there. But no, this is a super fun way to pass the time, testing your skills through some back roads. You know, don't push it too hard on the public roads, that can get dangerous, but you can seriously have some fun just by lining your little bike out in these back roads. So yeah, a few people have been watching my videos. My Royal Enfield videos have been doing quite well, but no one really seems to be undertaking the RC390, but that's cool because I'm not really too fussed about views. I just want to take this for a ride and share it with the world, that this is one of the greatest beginner bikes ever made, just by the way it handles. It's seriously like a race bike. Yeah, you can just travel through the gears. There's nothing more fun. I honestly say a big straight and going really quickly on a big straight is a bit overrated. Nothing beats these twisty roads with a small CC bike that you can just really wind out. That was a bit of a hoo. Oh, woo! A bit high of a gear there, but that's alright. So I'm still a learner. I've only been riding for you know, handful of months, but nothing beats these back roads. Seriously, they're just so fun, and the scenery is just so beautiful to look at when you're not looking at the road. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's the reason why I think that New Zealand is such a great country, is just because of these little hidden gems, you know. You got all these little back roads out here. Oh, we got some leaves on the road, better keep it slow. I was actually expecting the road to be a little bit more damp than this. It's not too bad. Really don't want to lose traction on that though. That would not be good, because this is the middle of nowhere. There's no cell phone reception, nothing like that. It's just you and the road, so don't want to crash out here. Yeah, just take in that scenery. I mean, my god, look at that. We're right in the middle of the bush here, just taking it in. Ooh, bit of a speed bump there. Yeah, there's nothing more exciting than just cruising through these nice wispy windies, and let's see if we can get this one quite good, eh? Got a bit of debris here. It's like some mud. Not the ideal conditions to be blasting these little back roads, but that's what we're about on Road Blast Media. It's all about the back road blasting. Seriously, nothing beats this, man. And then we come out to the beautiful RP road, bit of a residential, some farms around here, and you'll get an absolutely gorgeous view of the famous Mount Maunganui. one of the main tourist attractions of my city, Tauranga City here. And as we come out to this opening, you'll be able to see this beautiful mountain just in the distance right over there. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm hoping my camera got that, but that's about the only view you get. But you get just a panoramic view of the rest of Tauranga City and the harbour. You know, got a couple of cyclists here thinking that they're all shit. Fuck y'all! Who needs pedals when you got a motor, eh? Yeah, we're right in the midst of COVID at the moment, which means that the roads are absolutely empty. And it makes just for an awesome time because you don't get stuck behind nobody. And you can really just take in the enjoyment of riding your bike without no distractions and no danger of other riders, or not other riders, other drivers getting in your way. And it just makes for an absolutely awesome little day out. There we go, look at that. Gorgeous. Mount Maunganui, everybody. Yeah, that's very beautiful. That's why we do it. Gonna dial it back a little bit. The speed's only 100 kilometers an hour, so we'll take it easy. So yeah, at the moment, if people are out for leisure, and you know they think that you're breaking the rules or whatever of COVID-19, then you can get arrested. Which, you know, I'm putting this shit on risk for you guys. You have to understand that. I'm filming this shit, but I will say I'm not leaving the saddle. You know, I'm in my full hazmat gear, covered from head to toe. I've got my full face mask on, aka my helmet. I'm not coming into contact with anybody. I'm not doing no harm. Just having a hell of a lot of fun. And yeah, so a little bit about this bike. It's my RC390. If you haven't seen the review, go check it out. But it's a great little bike. I've got a Krapovich exhaust on there, little slip-on, just to give it a bit of a better sound. Unfortunately, you're probably not hearing that too well because the microphone is set up in my helmet, but that's all good. But yeah, this is a great little beginner bike, and it makes for some serious fun for a really low price. I don't think any other bike of this sort of CC range could even keep up, especially around through those sort of twisty roads. It's really something special, and it just has so much character, gets so many comments. I really love this little thing. Yeah, got a farmer. Give him a wave. Some people are broken down back there, I think. Not good, but oh well. Because of COVID, I can't stop and help. But yeah, so you guys just let me know, like, sort of what kind of videos you want to see. If you want to see more scenic videos, sort of like this, me talking, me not talking. My New Zealand accent can get a little bit annoying, I know that, but that's all good. But yeah, no, I'm really liking the engagement at the moment, especially on the Royal Enfield videos. People seem to be taking to those quite nicely. Had my first video hit 1,000 views the other day. That felt pretty cool. I've only been doing this for 2 weeks, so to get that kind of engagement straight off the bat is actually really nice. You know, it's quite promising to me. This is something I want to do for a job. I really enjoy it. I'm really passionate about it. There's going to be some big things coming. You know, when I upgrade my license, I'll obviously be upgrading my bike too. I'm currently like in between the learner and full license thing. It's called the restricted license in New Zealand. It's pretty silly, but it means that we're restricted to the CC rating of 650 max, and it's under 60 horsepower, which is pretty boring, but you can still get some great bikes in that range and have a hell of a lot of fun still. And I kind of think it's good because you don't really want learners jumping on 1000 cc's and shit. I understand, but I feel like I'm experienced enough now to jump on something a bit bigger. But anyway, yeah, just let me know in the comments how your guys' life is going, if your country is in lockdown, things like that. I'm really interested to know, really interested to engage more with the audience and just see what you guys want. I know you're small at the moment. I only have like 24 subscribers, but that's cool. That's 24 people wanting to see what I've got. So yeah, it's been really nice, you know, talking to the people in the comments and hearing feedback, seeing that people are liking the videos. It's really awesome. So yeah, make sure to smash that subscribe button, that like button, share, hit that little notification bell, and let me know what you want to see next, what kind of videos, what parts of New Zealand. The lockdown is getting lifted in about 2 days, so I have a bit more freedom of what the roads that I can choose without going through like a police checkpoint. So, you know, it's there's big things coming, and I know it's a long way out, but when I hit 1,000 subscribers, there'll be a bit of a giveaway going. In the comment section, I'll do a little bit of a competition, so that'll be interesting. I've got something to give away. I haven't thought of it entirely yet, but I've got a few ideas, just something small to show my appreciation to the fans. So yeah, we'll let this run out a little bit longer because we got an awesome straight coming up, and I'll give this thing a bit of a blast if there's no one in front of me. If there's someone in front of me, unfortunately you're gonna miss out, but that's alright. Oh, we might be lucky, we might be lucky. No, unlucky. Ooh. Actually, no, we're good. Nice tidy little Z900 there. Cool to link up. New Zealand, the riding community is really awesome. They're really, you know, involved. Get amongst it. I'm not gonna bother passing this guy. We're too close to home. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the other videos. Give the RC390 a bit of love. It's really missing out here. The infield's taking all the views, so go hard. This is a little motor vlog. Remember, I'm Vinny and this is Road Blast Media. One word. Share it with all your friends, tell them all about it. Let's get this shit amongst, y'all.